For the rollback demo, I have 3 Windows virtual machines running on a storage volume, which is presented by one of our storage nodes. I have storage volume 01, it's 1 terabyte in size, and that is running these 3 virtual machines shown here. What I'll do now is run the Hive ransomware virus on these machines. If I take a look at my Downloads folder, I can see the files that were accessible are now encrypted and have the .hive extension. Now, the ransom note is presented, giving us an onion address with a login and password to pay them the ransom and get the decryptor to the files so we can regain access. So over on the storage RAID side, we were taking snapshots. If we look at the storage volume, we can see we've been taking snapshots of the volume every 5 minutes. It's roughly 2:05 now, so if I come over here to the Snapshots tab, I can simply select the rollback. I'll list the last 5 snapshots. I'm going back about 10 minutes just to guarantee that we restore before the ransomware is actually executed. I'm selecting this point in time, which will affect the 3 virtual machines. It will detect that those virtual machines are the ones running on that volume. We're going to choose rollback. We will confirm that we want a rollback, and we'll begin the process where we're actually going to roll back the entire volume, which will also roll back these 3 virtual machines over here. At this point, the rollback has been initiated from the storage array side. We've started the process of presenting the storage volume back to the ESX host. Once it's available to the ESX host, we will power on the virtual machines and bring them back online. Now we will re-enable the backup job, and it looks like the virtual machines have been powered back on. What we want to do now is test whether we can actually log in and see if the files are accessible. If I go to my Downloads page, I can see that those files are no longer encrypted and I'm able to open the files.